Hello and welcome to TV Buying Guide, your go-to destination for the latest insights into the world of televisions. Today we will talk about the differences between Samsung DU7200 and CU7000. Samsung DU7200 is introduced by Samsung in the 2024 TV lineup as a successor of Samsung CU7000 from Samsung's 2023 TV lineup. Samsung DU7200 and CU7000 are both introduced as the basic 4K LED TV series from Samsung. There are screen size options available for both Samsung DU7200 and CU7000. Samsung DU7200 is offered in 85-inch, 75-inch, 70-inch, 65-inch, 60-inch, 55-inch, 50-inch, and 43-inch, while Samsung CU7000 is offered in 85-inch, 75-inch, 70-inch, 65-inch, 58-inch, 55-inch, 50-inch, and 43-inch. Is there any reason to choose Samsung DU7200 as the successor series? Let's talk more about differences between Samsung DU7200 and CU7000 to see if there is any reason to choose Samsung DU7200 as the successor series. Samsung DU7200 and CU7000 are mostly similar, but there are indeed few small differences between Samsung DU7200 and CU7000. Let's talk more about those small differences together. The first difference comes from VRR support. Both Samsung DU7200 and CU7000 already support auto low latency mode or ALLM, but you can find that Samsung DU7200 also supports variable refresh rate or VRR on top of its 60Hz native refresh rate. VRR allows us to enjoy better gaming experience on the screen of Samsung DU7200. The second difference comes from their Tizen OS version. While both Samsung DU7200 and CU7000 come with similar Tizen operating system, we can find that the Tizen OS integrated with Samsung DU7200 and CU7000 are different in version. Samsung DU7200 comes with Tizen 2024, while Samsung CU7000 comes with Tizen 2023. While their functions are basically similar, we can find that Tizen 2024 comes with minor improvement that includes the latest update in entertainment platform and AI technology of Samsung. There is also a difference in the price of those two TVs. As the successor series, Samsung DU7200 is normally offered at a higher price than Samsung CU7000 for similar screen size option. It is important to check the price of Samsung DU7200 and CU7000 if you are interested in knowing the latest price difference between those two TVs, as TV prices often change over time. The differences between Samsung DU7200 and CU7000 can be summarized with this table. So, is there any reason to choose Samsung DU7200? we have talked about the differences between Samsung DU7200 and CU7000, and we can find that Samsung DU7200 comes with few minor improvement. The main improvement can be found in its VRR support. With VRR support, we can enjoy better gaming experience, although Samsung DU7200 only comes with 60Hz native refresh rate. We can also get newer improved Tizen 2024 integrated with Samsung DU7200. So we have VRR and the newer Tizen OS version as the reason to choose Samsung DU7200. It is basically the one to choose if you don't mind to spending a little higher. Samsung CU7000 in the other side is a good alternative choice of Samsung DU7200, especially if your budget for Samsung 4K LED TV is quite limited. Samsung CU7000 is basically similar to Samsung DU7300, except that it doesn't come with VRR, while it comes with the older version of Tizen. So if your budget is more limited and you don't mind with no VRR support and older Tizen OS version, then you have the reason to choose Samsung CU7000 as your next basic 4K LED TV. Thanks for watching us at Tech TV Buying Guide, and have a nice day there.